Samsung is finally giving us one of the things we've been begging for, a foldable screen that actually feels like a normal phone when it's closed. For years we complained that the outer screen of the Galaxy Z Fold smartphones feel like typing on a TV remote control. Well, the newly leaked details of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 White are changing the game. It's wider, it's lighter, and it's insanely thin. But don't worry, Samsung isn't cancelling the classic tall variant. Instead, they are forcing you to make a brutal choice. That's right, the traditional taller form factor you know and love is staying alive. In fact, leaks suggest that the classic tall and narrow shape is being rebranded as the premium Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. As you can see in the leaked image, Samsung employee was recently spotted using the exact same prototype at a restaurant. And according to Ice Universe, the shorter, wider phone might actually be renamed to just the standard Galaxy Z Fold 8. Top Insider have leaked the same exact dimensions, revealing a shorter, wider 5.4-inch cover display, and when you close it, it looks and feels like a standard smartphone. When you open it, it unfolds into a square 4:3 ratio, meaning no more massive black bars when watching videos or playing games. And the engineering on this new white variant is wild. Even inside the heavy anti-leak protective boxing case, you can just tell how incredibly sleek the device is. Tipsters who have seen the hardware schematics says it feels impossibly slim, rumored to be under 6mm thick when completely closed up. Because of that sleek design, it actually weighs less than the standard taller model. It sounds like a perfect foldable, right? Well, here's the catch. To make the wide model this incredible thin, Samsung had to make a massive compromise on the cameras. And you can see the proof right there in the spy photo. Look at the camera cutout, it only exposed a dual camera setup. According to the leaked specs, the new Fold 8 White is completely losing the telephoto zoom lens. You only get a 50MP main and a 50MP ultra wide camera. And if you want that massive flagship 200MP main sensor and 3x optical zoom, Samsung is keeping those exclusively to taller and classic ultra model. With a real prototype already out in the public like this, everything points toward an official launch at Galaxy Unpacked on July 22nd. So now the choice is yours. Do you stick with the classic taller ultra model to keep those incredible zoom cameras, or do you trade the zoom lens for a wider ultra thin screen that actually fits comfortably in your hand? Let me know what you think about this smartphone in the comment sections, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.